Hello and welcome to Gayathri's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and spicy tomato chutney using a mortar and pestle. In Telugu, we call this as Tomato Roti Pachadi. This is the best roti pachadi you will ever try. There are many variations of tomato chutney, but this is one of the best recipes. I'll also be sharing other variations soon on my channel. You can enjoy this chutney with hot rice and ghee. It's the best combination. It also pairs perfectly with dosa, idli, vada, and even jawar roti. In fact, it tastes amazing with jawar roti as well. So, let's not wait any longer. Let's get into the process. For this recipe, I am using 5 plum tomatoes. First, wash them thoroughly along with the green chilies. I am using 10 small green chilies, which are the spicy ones, and 10 medium green chilies, which are the less spicy. Let's cut the tomatoes. Cut the chilies as well, slicing them in half. The reason I am using both types of chilies in this recipe is that the medium green chilies add pulp to the chutney while also balancing the heat, so it doesn't make the chutney too spicy. Now in a pan add around 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Dry roast them on low flame until they change color. Transfer them into a bowl and set them aside. Now in the same pan, heat about a tablespoon of olive oil, enough to fry the chilies. In this, add green chilies. Cutting the chilies helps them fry evenly both inside and out, and also reduces their spiciness a bit. Fry the chilies nicely as shown in the video, and in the end add some cumin. Let it roast for a few more seconds. Transfer them into a bowl and set aside. Now in the same pan, add a little more olive oil, about a tablespoon, and add the tomatoes. Sprinkle some salt and give it a mix. Cook on medium flame until the tomatoes soften. Continue cooking until the juices from the tomatoes completely evaporate and it gets thick. Meanwhile, take one bunch of cilantro or coriander leaves, wash them thoroughly, place them in a strainer to drain, and roughly chop the cilantro. Let's check our tomatoes. They have softened and the juices have evaporated. Take some tamarind, rinse it to remove any sand particles and add it to the tomatoes. Close the lid and cook just until the tamarind softens. The tamarind has softened, the juices from the tomatoes have evaporated and the mixture has thickened. Now add the cilantro. Give it a mix and cook just until it softens. Let this cool down before making the chutney. In the mortar and pestle, first add the roasted peanuts and grind them into a coarse powder. In this, I am adding the roasted chilies and cumin. I am saving some of the chilies aside to adjust the spice level later. Add some salt and grind it into a fine paste. While making the chutney, I'll check the taste and add the remaining chilies if needed. Now add the tamarind, tomato and cilantro mixture along with some salt. Mix everything together until well combined. Here I am adding 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I actually forgot to add them earlier before the tomato and cilantro mixture. Grind everything together until all the flavors are well combined. I just checked the taste and I am taking half of the chutney into the pan. I'll add the saved chilies, grind them, and then add it back into the chutney. Mix everything together. Our chutney is almost ready. Now add some raw onions along with a pinch of salt and coarsely grind the onions into the chutney. And that's it. Our delicious and spicy tomato chutney is ready. You also try this recipe and let me know how it turns out in the comments. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please leave a like and share it with your family and friends. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.